Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your third brake light. I got another cheap LED off of eBay. It's like $3 or $4. It's a no brand, but I was they last a long time. This, I know it's not blown out, but for the sake of this video I'm showing you how to replace it. So you can see I already have one in here, and to know what side is positive, it got a little plus sign right here. So I know when I take this out, the positive is near the rear of this. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gripping the sides, and I put the new one, and they got the positive right there. It's like on every side of the LED, so you always know what side is positive. So I'm gonna pop it in, push in, and then I'm gonna grip the top to where I'm not touching the LED and push it in. And then what you do, stick it back in the hole.
If you say "that's what she said" one more time, I'm gonna pop you.
And lock it in place. So, voila, and that's how you replace your third brake light. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.